Have you ever wondered why your electric bill keeps climbing even if you're not using more power? In 2025, electric rates jumped by more than 20%, and as demand on the grid keeps growing, especially from AI data centers, those rates are expected to continue rising year after year. Right now, your electric company charges you for your electricity by the kilowatt hour. That's the unit that measures how much energy you use. So when the price per kilowatt hour goes up, your bill goes up too. That's where a power purchase agreement, or PPA, comes in. A PPA lets you go solar with no upfront cost and start paying a lower, predictable rate for the energy your system produces. You don't buy the panels or take on maintenance. You simply agree to purchase the clean electricity they generate at a fixed rate that never increases. You still pay for electricity each month, just like you do now, but instead of buying it from your electric company at a rate that keeps going up, you're paying for solar power at a locked-in lower rate that stays the same for 25 years. That stability adds up to real savings over time because while electric companies keep raising rates, your solar rate is locked in. So if you're already paying for electricity every month, why not pay less and protect yourself from future increases? Find out how much you could save with a free estimate from Exact Solar. It's simple, predictable, and one of the smartest ways to take control of your energy costs.